Hello, everybody. This is Sasha Monique Talks. Hello, my friends. Today I have a jewelry review. So I was contacted by a company and they are called gewellryz. Okay, they spell it in a different way, and it's gewellryz.com. Jewelryz.com. So jewelryz.com, beautiful bracelets, earrings, rings, crosses, and Davids, the star. And they have a lot of different styles. They have some classic styles, and then they also have a lot of newer styles. And a lot of their pieces are one of a kind. So if it runs out, you may get something similar, but you may not get that piece. So make sure that if you see anything that you want, you jump on it right away. Because I can even see on the site how fast things are selling. Okay? So let me share with you what I got. They picked it out for me, and I was surprised when the things that they sent. I was surprised because it seemed like they know my style. So the first piece is this beautiful pearl necklace. You know what? A pearl necklace is always in style. Always. Even if it's made a little differently like this one, they are always in style. And this is such a beautiful piece here. See the clear stones in between? This is so pretty. So pretty. I love pearls because you can always put it with most outfits. Isn't that beautiful? So I'm going to pause for a minute and I'm going to have it on when I come back, okay? So look how pretty and elegant that looks. Today I have on a brown dress, and I think it's perfect. It really brought out this dress perfectly. And I'm a plus size woman, so it fits me well. Okay, they have the adjustable chain in the back. That's beautiful. Ooh, I love the way this looks. Let you see it up a little. So yes, this necklace is called, let me see. This necklace is called Yours. Okay, I'm going to put the link to this necklace in the description box. Remember, you will get 25% off your order. This is very affordable already. Okay, so if you like this, make sure that you jump on it and order it, so you won't be disappointed if it runs out. Okay, that's so pretty. So let me show you the next item. This one I am really, really crazy about. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bracelet. And this is called Idealistic. This is like an apple green color, like a peridot color. Isn't that pretty, y'all? So beautiful. Oh, that's pretty. The chain here is adjustable. So if you have a big wrist like I do, and it fits my plus size arm. I think I usually wear a 8, sometimes a 7.5. If you have a smaller wrist, it will work for you. Oh, it even looks good with this brown. You know, some gemstones, I don't know why, they will fit a lot of different colors in your wardrobe, and sometimes you won't even know it. Okay, look at that. I'm gonna put it on my wrist. I love jewelry, y'all. Again, this is Idealistic. If you want this one, I think they have it in, let me see. Yeah, they have them in different colors, but if you want this one, you better jump on it. This is how beautiful it looks on my wrist. See how it's glistening as I'm moving my wrist. You can see those colors really like popping. That green is something else. It's really beautiful. So again, this one is Idealistic. It's very affordable, y'all. It really is. Go over there and get you a piece or two. Or get these as gifts. These are great for birthdays, holidays, graduations, or anytime. Anytime you just want to enjoy a beautiful piece of jewelry. And it's so beautiful without being gaudy. Now, sometimes I can be a plain girl, and sometimes I like a little gaudy sometimes. This here is just right. It's excellent. It's really excellent. But those little stones right next to the big stone, oh my goodness. They are a tiny bit darker than the other stone, and it really makes it pop a lot. See how pretty that is? So gewellryz.com made my day. Okay, they made my day. I'm so glad they got in touch with me and allowed me to get this jewelry. Like I said, I didn't pick it out. They picked it out for me, and it's perfect for me. It's really perfect. So they sent me a little gift here. And I don't have the link for it, but I just want to show it to you. Okay. Like I said, this stuff sell out pretty fast, so you want something, or even if you see some earrings similar to these, you may want to jump on it. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, that's pretty. I can't describe the shape of this. This is so beautiful. So like I said, I didn't see the link for it. It may have sold out. Or it may be a new piece that maybe they sold out. I don't know. But that is so nice. I'm going to put it in my ears. Look how beautiful this looks. Isn't that elegant and classy looking? Oh, that's pretty. Matches my rings perfectly. It just really, really sparkle and shine. I love these. These are so beautiful. So these are some terrific pieces that I was sent. Thank you, gewellryz.com, for sending me these wonderful pieces to showcase. And I hope y'all get over there and take advantage of that 25% off, because, like I said, it's already reasonable. Okay? So the links will be in the description box. When you click on the item, then you will be able to get that 25% off. Thank you so much for watching and being here. Again, look at this pretty necklace, this beautiful necklace. So you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye now.